Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Going Guitar, a great song, almost fantastic, from YUNGBLUD. It's called Suburban Requiem, and this is a track from the latest album, from the second part of it. It's called Idol, so it's Idols 2, and yes, this one is, in my opinion, absolutely the best track from this new part of it. So yeah, let's look into it. And before we do that, let's check out this guitar. It's from Acoustic guitars. I highlight them very often because I use them. They're very affordable, so you get great value for your price. If you want to have one of these, then you can use my coupon code Going Guitar to get 10% off. Going Guitar 10% off to yeah, that's for you guys. Now let's go into a tutorial for you as well. Now we have a capo on the 3rd fret, absolute best scenario for us to have it easy as possible and to have it with easy chords and also match up with the sound correctly. So capo on 3rd, absolute best. Now let's go into the chords first. We're gonna use B sus2. It's a bar chord. You place the index finger on the 2nd fret. You push down 5 strings if you count from bottom and up like this. Then you need to add 4th on D and 4th on G. Right, that's the B sus2. Next is the D sus2. So that goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and open E. We have the A sus2. A lot of sus2s here. So that will be open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, open B, and open E. And speaking of E, that's the last chord. That goes open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. We'll come to the chord and strumming soon, but first we need to learn the melody here. And by the way, this is the chord progression through the entire song: B, D, A, and E. Okay, so let's go chord by chord, starting with the melody, and it goes like this. For B, so I bring in the bass note in the 1st kick there, so 2nd fret A string together with 4th G, then 2nd high E, 2nd B, and back to 2nd high E. Then you repeat that again, but without the bass note. I don't think you need that, so just the 4th G, 2nd E, 2nd B, and 2nd E. Okay, so that is the B sus part. So okay, next is the D sus. It goes like this. So you're gonna play the bass note here in the 1st kick, the open D together with 3rd B, then open high E, 2nd G, and open B. So you have to work a little bit here with the chord, and then you go back and play it again, but without the bass note. So 3rd B, open high E, 2nd G, and open B. Then into the A sus. What you need to hold here is just the 2nd fret G string. So you're gonna play. So again, the bass note in the 1st kick, that's that open A together with that 2nd G, then open high E, open B, and open high E. Then repeat that again without the bass note, so it's 2nd G, open E, open B, and open E. And the last chord E goes. And that will be the bass note again. Now it's the open high, not E, open bass string E together with 2nd D, and then open high E, 2nd G, and open high E. You repeat that again, so it's 2nd D, open high E, 2nd G, and open high E. Yes, a lot of E's there in the end, but that is the melody. Okay, I'm gonna take you through one round slowly. It goes like this. It's beautiful there. Now let's use the full chords and the strumming. You learned that. So grab the 1st chord, B sus. One round goes like this. You can hear hear that very clearly throughout the song, but at least at 3 minutes and 25 seconds in. That's very stripped off there with just the guitar. You can hear it in the background. That is a strumming pattern. So what you're going to do here is to play, to start with 2 downs, bass strings first, and then top strings then. So, and then you continue with down, up, down. And you finish off with down, down, up. So it's down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Alright, you're going to play one of these per chord in the same chord progression we just learned. So B, D, A, E sounds like this. Alright guys, like I said, a beautiful song from YUNGBLUD, this talented Ozzy Osbourne copy, or the new version of him. So yeah, check this one out. 4 chords, it doesn't have to be too hard. You can just skip the middle if you want to, go with the chords and strumming. It's perfectly well and fine with that. So hope you enjoyed it. If you want to support me, then you know how. You subscribe, you thumb up this tutorial. If you want to, maybe leave me a comment. I love to interact with you guys. So see you soon and play tuned.